In this video, I'm going to show you how to display related records on a detailed screen in Adalo. First, open your Adalo project and identify the section where you want related information to appear. In my case, I'm working with departments, and I want each user to see details only about their own department when they view their department screen. And I've also created a detailed screen called Department Info. I've already set up the department database, which includes the name, region, and image fields. To show related records, we'll use magic text. Open your detail screen and select the element where the information should appear. For example, select the text component that will display the department name. On the left panel, click the magic text icon. Hover over Logged In User, then hover over Department and choose Name. This tells Adalo to display the logged in user's department name. Repeat the same steps for region by selecting the text field, opening magic text, and choosing Logged In User, Department, Region. For the image component, click the image, go to Image Source, choose magic text, hover over Logged In User, Department, and select Image. Before testing, I'll show you the database so you can see the connection. The first user, John, belongs to Human Resources, and the second user, Josh, belongs to Finance. Now let's test this in preview. I'll log in as John first, enter his email and password, and view his profile. Since I used magic text here as well, all of his personal information appears correctly. When I click on the Department section, which is already linked to the Detail page through a link action, I now see the Human Resources Department details because that is John's assigned department. If I log out and log in as Josh, his department screen shows Finance instead. You can repeat this method for any type of related record in your own database. If you want a deeper explanation of magic text, we also have a complete video on that topic called How to Use Magic Text in Adalo, which you can search for along with our channel name. And this is how you can show related records on a detailed screen in Adalo.